Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today we're going to be doing the random pet challenge in Prodigy. Okay guys, so this challenge is simple. I'm going to count all of my pets, which I have 37, and I'm going to generate a number between 1 and 37. Alright guys, let's generate the very first number, and it is... Okay, it is 30, so let's go back to Prodigy. Okay, so we have to count to our 30th pet. Guys, our 30th pet is Eclipse. Bruh. Okay guys, so I moved Eclipse to the very front. That way I have to battle with him first. So yeah, let's just go. Okay, we're gonna go to Bonfire Spire. Okay guys, so we're gonna battle our very first monster. And what is it gonna be?
Try!
So, let's use our epic attack. Okay, it's going and... Guys, this is not looking good at all. And, oh my gosh, this is not looking good. We'll use Ion Cannon. Okay, come on. Hopefully the spell will do much more damage. Please? Okay, spell power bonus. Doing pretty well, and you missed. Let's go. Thank you, Ashlet. Now we have time for unlimited power. Okay, come on. This is the big moment here. If we can get her down past 1,000. Okay, we're in the 1,000 range. I'll take it, and if you miss again. Oh my god. Guys, we just got taken out. Okay, I guess we'll switch to our main wizard, and... let's just end it with Falling Star Smash. And you're gone. That was 4,000 damage. And okay, I guess we successfully won our very first battle. Okay guys, we're back in the random number generator. Let's generate our second pet. Okay, number 3. Let's go back to Prodigy. Okay, pet number 1, 2, 3. We have a Frost Singing now. And hopefully we can win a battle. Okay, our competition is Squawks. 8,000 health. Okay, pretty quick. Moment of truth. Come on, please. Let's go. Doing a good amount of damage to Squawks. If she hits us, we lose. Guys, she hit the spell. Our Frostfang is out. Luckily, we have our main wizard, though. Come on, let's take out Squawks. And that was a pretty easy battle. Okay, guys, we need a really good pet here. I want a pet that could win the entire battle by itself. So let's generate... and it's gonna be 31. Okay, guys, we have Luma as our pet, and let's get a win here. Alright, guys, Ice Sneak. Luma is not looking too hot.
Try!
I'm really hoping we can get a win here. Okay, we're doing okay. Just miss, please. Oh my god. Oh my. We're doing so bad. Okay, this is should be an easy spell. Let's go. 4,000 damage almost. Get absolutely destroyed, Ice Sneak. Get out of my face. Alright guys, I think this will be our final pet, so make it a good one. Please, come on. 36. Okay guys, our 36th pet is the... I'm done with this challenge. I'm literally done with this challenge.